Again, win. Hi everyone. Today this is the Stepping Stone Coaching Institute, and I have taken the topic Balmiki Jayanti because many people in that they have really forgotten the Balmiki and many more educationists or the mythologists and that they whom they are not remembering. So we have already discussed with that student, and now Bharti she is going to tell about the Balmiki ji. Okay, let's see and let's adopt the way of the Balmiki, whatever he has done, and the other mythologist who has done in the society and for the work. And we have to get some information. We have to adopt their path also, because various educationist is there, but still that we have forgotten, we are not remembering what they have done. Now the Bharti, what will you tell about the Valmiki ji?
Valmiki ji, he born on 20 October in the Ashwin months, and he was a sage, and he wrote epic book Ramayana. Ramayana, and it is not only a epic book or the religious book. He wrote in this book about the society, what was prevailing on that time in the society, because he wrote about the Lord Rama, and he wanted to preach us by this book about the society, because Ramayana, it is a lengthy book, but I want to explain only one para in this book, because whenever Lord Rama was going into for the 14 years into the forest, and
for the banishment, for the banishment
on the path, person who belongs from the Haris minority and scheduled caste, and he brought for him some things, and he wanted to show by this that the God never considered any caste or religious. Friend of the God, everyone is equal. There is no scheduled tribe, no OBC, no ST, no general. It is as we know that our says they were as a scientist, they were as a God. That's before the plenty of the years, 2000 years, they wrote about the society also, because they knew that what will be going on in our society. And as we know that the Valmiki ji, he was from the minority.
He belonged to minority.
He belonged to the minority, and after being a minority, he was an educator. He was a scholar, and he was an educator of Sanskrit, and he preached religious things also. And after he has a massive personality, but after that nowadays people is considered him as a minority, and to see the minority people start to call them Valmiki, and they are not giving the respect. And while that now technology has been increased, people are developing, and in our society is developing, but our mentality is not developing. And to saying that the minority, SC, OBC, we give them
you should give that some message, and you should give this some suggestions and to the public, and regarding that Balmiki Jayanti background, that the public, and that they should give that respect and to their elders, and we have to learn the mythology, because when we learn, then obviously when we study, then obviously we will learn a lot of the things, and through this mythology. So in this way that you give some tips to the public.
From the Ramayana, we have learned plenty of the things, and there are the plenty of the says. We should not consider that he is from the Hindu or Muslim or the Sikh religious or the Christian religious, because the religious book always preaches the good things. So we take the good things, and we should not think that from the which religious they belong. Because if we think these things, that the nobody will make us that this is the bad, this is not our religion.
Okay, Bharti, you have given very good message and to the public. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, you, Bharti, you should discuss with them and make them prepare. Okay, okay, tell me.
today's my topic is Valmiki.
Yeah.
Valmiki for the 20 October is month of the Ashwin.
Yeah.
He is a sage. He is a sage.
Yeah.
She wrote the Ramayana.
Yeah.
Ramayana is a very famous book.
He.
Ramayana.
Yeah.
Ramayana is a very famous book of the public. Every people write the text of the Ramayana and
Yeah.
read out the sometime before in the 7 to 8 days continue the read of the Ramayana book.
Yeah.
Valmiki is written in the Sanskrit language. He is very famous person.
She know he.
He is very famous person. He is belong to caste of the Valmiki.
Yeah.
And but every people torture the every time he are the scheduled caste people. But she is very intelligent. And
Again, she why?
he is very intelligent.
Yeah.
And she is going to the
No,
penance.
what are you
She
telling?
is going
She
to penance and
Yeah.
write the Ramayana. Start in the language.
wrote the Ramayana.
Wrote the Ramayana and language of Sanskrit.
Yeah.
Sanskrit very difficult language.
Yeah.
But they start the right and the language of Sanskrit. But every people
He.
every people read out the Ramayana.
Yeah.
And but every time why you understand why you not understand the
Why do you not
class-
understand?
the fourth class people.
Yeah.
But he is a normal person.
Yeah.
But every time people were decided that Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Isai.
Yeah.
Belong to the every class or the every time the fight.
Yeah.
But this is not a good for the every person. All people were the same.
All the people are the
All
same.
people are
Okay,
same.
yes, you ask. I will ask in that next round because
Today I discuss about the Valmiki Jayanti.
Yeah.
Valmiki Jayanti celebrated in 20 October because
is celebrated.
they celebrated in 20 October because in this day Valmiki ji
Was
was born and
yeah.
Valmiki ji was born and Valmiki ji is sage,
Yeah.
and he write the book Ramayana.
रूपा को कह दीजिए 11
He
बजे
write the
आएगी.
book Ramayana. He write the book Ramayana and Ramayana book is
Yeah. Okay. What are you? Mythology
Ramayana book is mythology.
is a religious scripture. Scripture. Okay. Yeah. You prepare. You have not prepared. You are not telling anything. Okay. Yes, you tell me. Yeah.
She has prepared, but she has
Okay. You shift over there. She will shift over there. Okay. Tell me.
Today my topic is Valmiki Jayanti.
Yeah.
Valmiki Jayanti is celebrated on 20 October.
Yeah.
And in Ashwin Mas Purnima and
Yeah.
it is celebrated. The earlier government declared non-holiday on this
Yeah.
date, but now the government declared it as a state holiday.
Yeah.
As a state holiday, and the Valmiki ji wrote Valmiki was wrote epic Ramayana epic, and he was the great educator and he paid for the meetings. The people was take in fourth category and in the fourth category and
Yeah. Okay.
and the Valmiki ji was a
Speak loudly.
The Valmiki ji was a penance. He went to penance.
He went for the penance.
He went for the
Penance in the forest.
penance in the forest, and
Yeah.
he wrote the Ramayana in Sanskrit.
Yeah.
In Sanskrit, and he was
Yeah.
he was
celebrated because
he was a great educator, and
Yeah.
he was a great educator. He wrote about
Yeah.
medical science and all many things.
Yeah.
Plenty of the things he write. From
Yeah.
Ramayana, he wrote plenty of the things, and
Yeah.
we
Okay. Yes, you tell me. You should answer. Okay.
Valmiki Jayanti is a very is 20 October in
Speak loudly. Yeah.
Bhavani Jayanti.
Yeah.
Is a
Yeah.
temple day.
Yeah.
Is government.
Yeah. You discuss because you are not there. Discuss with them. Okay, tell me. You are prepared?